Spot trading is one of the most important and valuable skills to make dollars in crypto. Although many people make mistakes and errors because they fail to understand the fundamentals and the basics of spot trading. In this video, I'll be teaching you the basics and the fundamentals of spot trading. So I'll be covering what basically you have to understand what is spot trading. Okay, I will guide you. I will demonstrate how to buy on Binance Spot, how to sell on Binance Spot, and a strategy to take profit. Okay, how can you take profit in such a way that you maximize the run or the profit? Are you ready? Are you excited? Let's get started. Okay, firstly, what is spot trading? Spot trading, looking at this report by this article by Binance Academy, spot traders try to make profit in the market by purchasing assets and hoping they will rise in value. They can sell their asset later on spot market for a profit. The price increases. Simply put, a spot trader buy a coin at a low price and sell the coin at a higher price. For example, buying at $64.16 and selling at $79.05. This is what we call spot trading. Now, what condition can spot trading be favorable? Spot trading is only favorable in an uptrend market. That means a market that is having higher high. Okay, looking at this, a higher high. This you can see that this is higher than this. Okay, this higher than this. This higher than this. This is what we call higher high and lower low. Look at this. And I mean a higher low. Okay, a higher high and a higher low. Okay, so this is the only condition that you can trade spot. Now, what condition can you not trade spot? You can't do spot trading when the market is in a downtrend. For example, you can see higher low. See here, this is higher low, and you can see lower low. Okay, you can see lower low. So on this condition, spot trading is not advisable or it's not profitable. Okay, now how do you buy on spot? Now let's assume you have an entry. For example, you have an entry and you have an entry like you have a signal, you have an entry, you have stop loss, you have entry for entry price, and you have take profit price. How do you buy on spot? Okay, so assuming or looking at this chart, assuming we want to enter the market here, okay, and we have a stop loss here and we have take profit here, and how do you use this information? Now let's over to Binance Exchange, buy Sol and buy Solana. All right, so this is Binance. When you come to Binance, okay, this is the mobile view. But now on this arrow, you can click on this arrow, then go to Binance, see where you see market. Okay, go to now what we are interested in trading is Sol and USDT. Okay, Sol and USDT. So we already have this, but you can search here Sol USDT. You can see of which we already have. It will come up. Now go to buy. Yeah, when you go to buy, when you get there, you have two features. Okay, we have two features that you pay attention to. We have many features, many other type that you pay attention to. We have limit, we have market, we have stop limit, we have trailing stop, and we have OCO. But we'll be limiting ourselves the explanation to or the demonstration to limit and market. Now, how do you use limit? Limit means you want to buy at a particular when the price of Solana hit a particular price. Okay, that means as you want the price to meet the price at which you want to buy, and you don't want to buy current market price. Okay, so in that case, let's assume this an entry. This is your entry, but the price has already risen to this level. Okay, but you want to buy at 69. Let's say the price is already at 70. You can come to this place and put say you want to buy at 69. Okay, 69.0 is when you want to buy, and you want to buy. Well, let's say you want to buy. You can either enter the amount or the number of SOL you want to buy, or you can come to this place and enter the dollar value of that you want to use to trade. Like I explained in my previous video, you can find it above on this channel. Okay, you only trade with about 5%, like a minimum of 3 to 5% of your capital, so that you can preserve your capital. Okay, now let's say we have $50 to trade. Okay, now that means we are taking the $50. When you are done, you go to buy SOL. Okay, when you buy SOL, there's what we call an open order. You can see that I have an open order here. Okay, I have an open order here. So I'm trying to the market. Once the price of Solana hits $67, buy me a SOL of 2.74 worth of SOL. Okay, now and when the price get there, my trade will be executed. Okay, now let's now go to the other book that we are interested in. Let's buy again. Okay, let's take for example we have let's say we have this market. Let's say we want to take the same trade and we want to use the market order now. So the market order means you are buying at the current price. So whatever the price of the asset is, that is the amount you want to buy. Okay, that is the price at which you want to buy on your coin. Let's say I want to buy a 10 unit of SOL. Then I'll just come to this place and click on buy. Okay, click on buy. So in this case, your order you won't have an open order, okay, because you are using the market price. All right, so that is how to buy on using port order, using market order and using limit order. Now let's now go, what if you want to sell? What if the price of the asset that you bought has risen to a good price? For example, you bought here and it has risen to 82. Okay, how do you sell and be profitable? Okay, now we'll go back to our demonstration. In this case, you go to sell, not buy. So buying, you click buy, and selling, you click sell. So say we want to sell. Okay, let's start with limit order. Let's say we want to sell and we are interested in selling at $84. Okay, if we are interested in selling at $84, come to this place and click on and type $84. Okay, so then you can come what is the amount of or what is the percentage of the assets that you have that you want to sell? Is it 25%? Is it 50%? If you are interested in selling just 50%, you click on 50%. If it's 100%, you click on 100%. Then you click on sell. Then click on sell. You also have an open order. So that means you are saying that when the market hit $84, you want to sell this number of SOL. Okay, so that is how to use limit order to sell. Let's use market order to sell. Now this is market order. Now when using market order to sell, you are saying that I want to sell my asset now. Okay, I want to sell my asset now at the current market price. So I don't want the price to be different. I'm interested in selling at the current market price. So what you do, you click on the amount. Do you want to sell 25% of your asset, 50% of your asset, 75% of your asset, or 100%? Let's assume you want to sell 100%. Once you click on 100%, you click on sell. The next thing is, how do you take profit and maximize the increase in the price of the token or of the asset you are holding? For example, you buy at this level at say you bought at $65.25. Okay, and it is right, it rose to this level, it rose to this level, it rose to this level. Then what if there's still more potential increase in the price? Okay, for example, now buying Solana at this level, you don't want to sell everything, so you may want to sell some and to leave some. So how do you maximize the profit? Okay, the strategy to do that is called DCA out. Okay, which means when the price of your trade, of the coin or the token you are holding, when the price rises to a certain level, you sell a percentage, you sell some percentage, and when it rises to another level, you sell some percentage. And that is how that is the strategy you can use, a less risky strategy that you can use to maximize the profit, or to gain more in your trade. Okay, you won't want to lose out on the coin that is rising, that keep rising. Okay, because it hurt after selling it, you discover that it keep rising. So how do you do that? Let's assume this is your first profit. Let's say at this level you want to sell, or maybe 50%, and at this level you want to sell the remaining percent. So how do you do that? You come to your platform, your trading, go to the market, the spot market, and it is not buy, it is going to be sell. So in this case, we are using limit order. So you are saying that the first price is, you are saying when the price of Solana hits $78.28, you want to sell 50%. Okay, let's put it here, $78.28. I want to sell 50% of my trade. Then once you have imputed the data, like the price at which you want to sell and the percentage you want to sell, basically it should be 50%, although it must not be 50%, depend on how you want to manage your risk. Okay, so if we sell 50%, you click on 50%, so it means you have an open order to sell for 50% of your token, of your trade, at $78.28. Okay, now what will happen to the next one? On the next level that we want to take profit is at 83.42. So you come again and impute 83.42. To claim this 83.42. Okay, at 83.42, I want to sell, in this case, the remaining one, which is 100%. Okay, if you are selling 100%, once you have entered the amount, the price at which you want to sell, okay, and you are interested in selling 100%, you come to this place, click on sell. Okay, once you click on sell, then you have your trade has been, you have placed a selling order, and once the price hits that level, it will sell. All right, so I believe you have learned a lot from this video, from this teaching, from this guide. If you find this very useful and educative, kindly subscribe to this channel, share and comment what do you want me to teach on in my next video. Okay, there's a course on spot trading. There's a video on spot trading that is on this channel, at the top of this channel. It will teach you on how to become a profitable spot trader. Also, Coin Dollar community is a community where we give free APHA and signal. Okay, consider joining the Coin Dollar community. The link is on the channel description, on this video description. Kindly search it and use it to join our community.